Okay, so this is how you're going to access your math assignment on Wednesday. So again, you will have instructions up here. Please read them, reread them. It says on the left-hand column, write the fractional unit of the shaded shape. Example, 1/2 is shaded. On the right-hand column, partition or cut the shaded shape into the original unit fraction. So if my original fraction is 1/2, I'm going to shade that 1/2 part into halves. Okay, and then label each piece inside the shaded shape with the original fraction. Complete with Kami or on a separate sheet of paper if you have not downloaded it. Okay, so 2 has been done for you in my video. So again, I'm in Nevaeh's. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to turn it in. I'm just going to show you how to access it. So you're going to click the assignment. You're going to open with Kami. Okay, if you've downloaded Kami. If you haven't downloaded Kami, then you need to do this on a separate sheet of paper. Again, you're going to get this box, recognize text. You're going to run OCR. Down here, it's going to say running OCR. That's fine, totally fine, not a big deal. It's going to kind of go blank, then come back, and it says OCR completed. Okay, so this you're going to also need to use your drawing tool. Okay, choose whatever color. So the shape, so 1A, okay, well, how many shapes do you have altogether? 1, 2, so you have how many shaded? So it'd be 1/2. Okay, this is the original fractional unit, 1/2. Oops, my 2 is not complete there. Okay, then on this side, it says the shaded part represents 1 whole. So we are kind of ignoring that non-shaded part. This equals 1 whole. Now I have to split that up into as many equal pieces as I can. So I think you can kind of go like, just cut it up as best you can in equal pieces. I'm not picky. I think like you have to go like this too. It's making 3 triangles, I know that. These are not equal. Don't follow me. Those aren't equal. Make them as equal as you can. Have your parents help you make them as equal as you can, if you can. So then what you're going to do is you're going to label each shape 1/3. Remember, fractions need to be they need to be equal, okay? They're equal parts of a whole. So make your shape as equal as you can, okay? If you have to Google how to cut a triangle into 3 pieces, please Google that. All right, so 2A, okay, how many pieces all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And how many are shaded? Well, 1. So my fractional unit's 1/4. Okay, I'm ignoring the pieces that are not shaded in the B column. In this column, I'm ignoring it. Okay, I need to take that shape and cut it into 4ths now. So I did it on the lesson video. So remember, I went down straight and then cut it straight across. Okay, so for number 3, again, count how many parts and then how many parts you have all together in the whole. Then you put, that is the denominator, and then you put how many are shaded on top. Okay. Then for B, you're ignoring the non-shaded pieces and you're just going to focus on the shaded piece, and you're going to cut that piece into whatever the fractional unit is on A. So if you get 1/5, you would take, I'm not saying that's the answer. Please do not write 1/5. That's not the answer. I'm giving it as an example. Okay, I would ignore these 2 pieces that are not shaded, and I would cut, if I had, my original fraction was 1/5, I would cut that into 5ths. Please don't do that. That's not the correct answer. I'm just giving that as an example. Okay, so then you have 4A and B, and you have 5A and B. Okay, again, if you're done with it, only spend 15 minutes on it. When you're done with it, you're going to hit, it looks like the save button. It's not, it's turn in. You're going to hit turn in, and you're going to hit turn in again. Okay, if you need to change something, you hit submit and it'll come back to you. But you need to turn in using the Kami if you have Kami. Okay, if you don't have Kami, you're going to do it on a separate sheet of paper, which means you're going to have to draw all of these shapes out and cut them up. And then you are going to take a picture of your work and upload it to Google Classroom.